Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and now of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down. And right here I have gesture control. So in fact we don't have many options for customizing, because for the sides touch area, for the single press we have only one option, or we can disable it by clicking the none. For the double press we have to play next song or disable it, and the same situation with the triple press. Also for the calls we have only answer and finish the call, we cannot change them. Then we have press and hold, and for press and hold we have only two options: to call voice assistant or ambient sound control. So if you want to use ambient sound control on both of your earbuds for the press and hold, you need to click at the noise control for the left earbud. It's the same situation with voice assistant, you need to select voice assistant for both. Now if you want to, because by gestures you can swap only between ANC and transparency mode. If you want to swap to normal mode, you need to click the off line, and now you will swap between these three options. Then we have swipe for the side touch area, and right here we have only to change volume, and I recommend to leave it here because we cannot set it for another gesture, only for swipe. Then we have backside touch area, and right here we have more option to customize. So for the call we have only answer and finish the call, but for the double press we can set to call voice assistant or play next or previous track. So if you want to, you can set it to, let's say, play previous track. For the left or right earbud you need to make it for the both or change something else. And for the triple press we have only next and previous track. So if you want to, I guess it's okay to set to play previous track on the left earbud, but it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!